Hey It Girl, welcome to my closet. My name is Sophie Cohen, otherwise known as SoCo, and I'm a content creator in NYC, and I'm so excited to show you guys my happy place. So I love vintage shopping. I would say probably like 75 to 80% of my closet is secondhand, which I'm very proud of. I also got at my mom's store. It's a vintage Sonia Raquel top. Love the flower, love the little knit stripe details. And I love this piece because it's so comfy. I wear it all the time. But also Carrie Bradshaw wore this same piece in one of the Sex and the City episodes. So that was really cool to own something that my queen also wore in my favorite show. These are my babies. This is my bag wall. I just recently put these shelves up so I could show off all my bags. I love my bags so much. They're all so special to me. I feel like I've been collecting them. When you interviewed me for the first time on It Girl, I said that this was the most prized possession in my closet, and it definitely is. My 25th birthday gift. It's from my mom's store, once again. And I brought this with me to Paris, and it's just so special to me. It will always symbolize my 25th year, and it's just unique and special and freaking epic.